Good day guys. In this video, you'll be learning about how to add fractions with different denominators. Hope you guys enjoy. Alright guys, so let's add fractions with different denominators. Let's say I have a fraction 4/4 added with 3/4. Alright guys, now first of all, we can only add and subtract fractions when the denominators are equal. Or in other words, for us to add or subtract fractions, the denominators must be the same. Now, whenever the denominators are not the same, we can make it to be same by finding the lowest common multiple. So, the denominators what we have here is 5 and 4. Let's find the lowest common multiple of 5 and 4. 5 and 4. So, I'm going to use prime factorization method to solve it. So, let me put 5 here, 1 and 4. 2, 1 and 2, 2, 1 and 1. So my lowest common multiple would be 5 times 2 times 2, which is equal to 20. So what this means is we want our denominators to be equal to 20. Let's convert it now. So first fraction what we have here is 4/5. Now we have to convert the denominator to be 20. In order for that, we got to see 5 multiplied by what would give us 20. And we know that 5 multiplied by 4 would give us 20. So we would multiply both the numerator and the denominator with 4. Now let me go to the next fraction, plus 3/4. We use the same method here. 4 multiplied by what equal to 20, and we know that 4 times 5 is equal to 20. Alright guys, so once we do this, the denominators will be equal. So let's multiply them now. 4 times 4 will give us 16/20 plus 15/20. Now if you take a look at this, the denominators are equal. Once the denominators are equal, we can add them. 16 plus 15 would give us 31/20, and 31/20 would give us 111/20 as a mixed fraction. In order to see how to convert an improper fraction to a mixed fraction, don't forget to look at my video converting improper fractions to mixed fractions. Now let me give you one more example in which I'm going to add mixed fractions in which the denominators are different. Let's say I have a question 2 3/4 plus 3 1/2. Of course, there are various methods in order for us to solve this, but the method that I would teach you is first is convert the mixed fraction into an improper fraction. So what we would have here is we would have 4 times 2 plus 3/4 plus 2 times 3 plus 1/2. Alright guys, so what we will have here is we'll have 8 plus 3/4 plus 6 plus 1/2, which would give us 11/4 plus 7/2. Alright guys, so in other words, 2 3/4 we have written it as 11/4, and 3 1/2 we have written it as 7/2. Now again, following the same steps, in order for us to add fractions, the denominators must be equal. And here we see that the denominators are not equal, but we can convert it to be equal. So in order for that, we need to find the LCM, the lowest common multiple of 4 and 2. And it's pretty straightforward that the lowest common multiple of 4 and 2 is equal to 4. That means that we got to convert the denominators to be equal to 4. Now we take a look at the first fraction. We already have the denominator, which is 4. Hence, we only have to change the second fraction. Using the same steps, we know that 2 times 2 would give us 4. Therefore, we multiply the second fraction by 2 over 2. And what we would have here is, we would have 11 over 4 plus 14 over 4, which would give us 25 over 4. Alright guys, now we can also convert this to a mixed fraction if we want. 25 over 4, we can write it as 6 and 1/4. Alright guys, hope you enjoyed this video. Until next time, have a nice day.